Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading, and I wanted to, start with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for a demonstration educational purposes only. We do not take responsibility for any profits or losses that may be incurred by subscribers. Everyone should understand that participation in the markets involves substantial risk, and that a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to trading, and never trade more than you can afford to lose. Now, today, I developed a tremendous love affair with ExxonMobil. And they always tell you never to fall in love with the stock, but what I really did was I fell in love with the investment. Now, there's a tremendous amount of reasons why ExxonMobil is just a terrific position to take to the upside. Now, there's a big investor interest in electric vehicles, but gasoline-powered transportation really still holds sway. And on Tuesday, there was a record number of travelers recorded over the Memorial Day weekend. This summer, we should see a tremendous amount of driving. Also, we're going to see a tremendous amount of people flying. There were 11 million people who flew over the Memorial Day vacation. Now, if that wasn't enough, there's actually more. Now, here's unusual options activity recorded today on ExxonMobil. At 10:10, there were 200 options with a strike price of 57.50, 104,000. 10:12, 200 positions, 57.50. September 17, 105,000. This is my favorite. 10:49, 25,000 options with a strike of 65, expiring in just July. That's a $1.95 million bullish bet. Continuing on, 390, 486, 401. Rough estimate, I'd say there's at least $1.5 million. I'm sorry, this is $2 million alone. There's about $2.5 million in bullish call positions crossing today on ExxonMobil. That speaks of big institutional money taking a very bullish stand on ExxonMobil. So we are going to take a bullish position on ExxonMobil. I don't normally do this, but this is going to be sent out to my subscribers. This is completely optimized for all the Greeks, taking into consideration all the unusual options activity. We're going to buy the September 17, 2021 $60 call. We're going to sell the $67.50 call for vertical spread. We're going to create a limit order slightly below the cost, and we're going to try to pick up ExxonMobil tomorrow. I think it's a terrific trade. I think the potential that ExxonMobil is going to go down in price throughout the summer, exceedingly low. If there's any disturbance, geopolitical pipeline disruption, it'll send ExxonMobil up even higher. So I thought post-Memorial Day, I would send you all a terrific trade if you trade options. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, I would recommend strongly that you take this trade. Have a great evening, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow.